Hey everybody, so there are these crazy videos, all paid ads that you'll see on social media, and people like to send them to me because I'm in the industry and they're like, hey Mike, check this out, what do you think of this? So I'm going to go over one right now, if it's not too cringy. Let's listen.
The police don't want you to know this, but the reason we always ask you for insurance before your registration is because we know with the cost of everything rising in America, drivers are ditching their car insurance, and that's how we get them. But
Okay. The police don't want you to know this, but like, why? What do the police care? And two, like, we know everybody's with the rising costs in America. Like, okay, it's just all stupid. Let's keep listening.
as one of the good cops, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. There is a state-approved site where you can go and get the wholesale insurance rate. It's the same.
State-approved site where you can go get the wholesale insurance rate. I call your division of insurance for the state that you live in and ask them about where this state-approved site is. It's a lie. Let's listen on more.
Coverage from the same big insurance companies, but way cheaper because this site is state regulated and they don't allow insurance agents to collect.
All right. I mean, there's a lot to unpack here. So it's all regulated, he says. You know what? Insurance is like one of the most regulated industries. So it's not like if you call an agent or if you call Progressive directly, it's not regulated. But this secret state site is regulated. No. And then I think he said agents aren't allowed to collect commissions. Let's see what else he says about that.
Which lowers the rate by almost 80%. I personally pay.
All right. So the fact that insurance agents can't collect commission lowers the rate by 80%. Like, okay, that implies that insurance agents are making 80% commission, which, you know, I would be retired today if I made 80% commission. This would be like one of the most lucrative professions ever known to humankind. Like that's crazy. Here's something that I find crazy is what the commissions that your insurance agent make is quite likely a fraction of what you pay your waitress at the Waffle House. And insurance agents generally don't have a base pay. They're required to keep up with state licenses. They're required to carry professional liability. They're the ones who are out seeking clients. If, you know, your waitress at the Waffle House, people just show up. But your insurance agent, like, you know, they're doing things. They're donating money to the community. They're doing all this stuff, and on average, like an insurance agent might make around 10-11% commission on an auto insurance policy. Some carriers pay as low as say 4 or 5% in the most extreme low cases. Some companies might pay as much as 15%, but I'd say average is like 10 or 11.
Only $29 a month for my car insurance.
Okay.
I'm going to leave the link to the site.
First of all,
try it out and see. The police don't want you to know
at
this.
least in Colorado, you're not paying $29 a month for car insurance unless you are just carrying state minimum, no uninsured motorists, no medical payments, no collision. I mean, that's insanely low. And then the second thing is, what is so sad about these ads is that, you know, they're claiming that this magical site exists, which it doesn't. They're claiming that they're cutting out the middleman. Well, you know what they do with this? You go to their special website, which is 9 times out of 10 like a shoddy woo-foo form, and this company then sells all your data to probably 15 or 20 insurance agents. Like, so what they are claiming to, like, you know, they are perpetuating a system that they claim doesn't work. So please do not fall for these ads. You fill out that form. For the next 2 weeks, you're going to get bombarded by phone calls, text messages, emails, and then, you know, a handful of those agents will keep marketing to you for weeks and months and years. Like, you might need to change your phone number if you do this. But thanks for listening. Please don't fall for it. If you need real insurance advice, we're right here in Colorado, Premier Mountain Insurance.